I woke up. I noticed the dust motes dancing in the sunbeam, just like every morning. Except today, the air wasn't silent. I could hear them. A quiet, scratching sound. The sound of thousands of tiny, dry particles rubbing together, right in front of my face. I turned everything off. The noise didn't stop. They weren't floating anymore. They were pushing back against the air. I reached through the light. The motes bit me. It wasn't dust. It was sharp. It was hungry. They realized they were seen. They gathered together, making the air thick and black. Now they're covering the room. Like and subscribe if you trust the air in your room.